Creating a public profile on Snapchat is an exciting opportunity to share your passions, connect with like-minded individuals, and showcase your unique personality. The post How to Create a Public Profile on Snapchat appeared first on newsd.in. Welcome to the exciting world of Snapchat. If you're looking to make a splash and connect with a wider audience, creating a public profile on Snapchat is the way to go. With its dynamic features and massive user base, Snapchat offers an incredible platform for showcasing your unique personality and engaging with followers in real time. In this blog post, we'll guide you through the process of setting up your own public profile on Snapchat, share some tips on making it stand out from the crowd, and help you navigate what type of content to post. So let's dive in and unlock the full potential of your Snapchat presence. Creating a public profile on Snapchat. Creating a public profile on Snapchat is an exciting opportunity to share your passions, connect with like-minded individuals, and showcase your unique personality. To get started, open the Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. From there, select Settings, and scroll down to find the Who Can section. Here, you can choose who can contact you and view your story. Make sure to set it as Everyone for maximum visibility. Next, it's time to set up your Snap code. This is a unique QR code that people can scan to easily add you as a friend on Snapchat. You can customize it with an eye-catching selfie or fun artwork that represents who you are. Now comes the fun part, choosing a creative username. It should be memorable and reflect your interests or personal brand. Don't forget to upload an appealing profile picture that will catch people's attention when they come across your public profile. Take some time to write out a brief bio that gives visitors a glimpse into what they can expect from following you. Keep it concise but intriguing, leave them wanting more. Remember, creating a public profile opens up endless possibilities for engagement and connection on Snapchat. So let loose. Share snippets of your daily life through stories or send personalized snaps directly to followers using chat features. The sky's the limit when it comes to showcasing your authentic self on this vibrant platform. Why you should have a public profile on Snapchat. Having a public profile on Snapchat can offer numerous benefits and opportunities that you might not want to miss out on. First and foremost, it allows you to connect with a wider audience, expanding your reach beyond just your friends and family. By making your profile public, you open the door for new connections and potential collaborations. Additionally, having a public profile can help you build your personal brand or showcase your talents. Whether you're an aspiring artist, musician, or content creator, Snapchat provides an interactive platform where you can share snippets of your work and engage with followers in real time. It's a great way to gain exposure and attract like-minded individuals who appreciate what you have to offer. Moreover, a public profile on Snapchat allows you to stay up to date with current trends and events. From following celebrities and influencers to exploring various communities within the app, there's always something happening that can inspire or entertain you. It's an opportunity to discover new perspectives and broaden your horizons. By having a public profile on Snapchat, you become part of a larger online community where sharing experiences is encouraged. You can capture moments from everyday life or special occasions through photos or videos. This enables others to witness those moments alongside you in an authentic way. How to make your Snapchat profile stand out. When it comes to making your Snapchat profile stand out, there are a few key strategies you can employ. First and foremost, choose a unique username that reflects your personality or brand. This will help people remember you and make you more discoverable. Next, take advantage of the various customization options available on Snapchat. Use eye-catching filters, stickers, and emojis to enhance your snaps and make them visually appealing. Experiment with different fonts and colors for captions to add a personal touch. Another way to make your profile stand out is by regularly updating your story content. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses into your life or showcase interesting moments from your day-to-day activities. Be creative and authentic in what you share. This will help captivate viewers' attention. Engaging with other users is also vital for standing out on Snapchat. Respond to messages and comments promptly, participate in public discussions through stories or chats, and collaborate with other creators or influencers when possible. Don't be afraid to show off your unique talents or interests on Snapchat. Whether it's showcasing artwork, sharing fashion tips, or demonstrating culinary skills, highlighting what makes you special will attract like-minded individuals who appreciate what you bring to the platform. By implementing these strategies consistently over time while staying true to yourself and having fun, you'll be well on your way towards creating an outstanding profile that sets you apart from the crowd. What to post on your public Snapchat profile? What you choose to post on your public Snapchat profile is crucial in creating a unique and engaging experience for your followers. It's important to showcase your personality, interests, and passions through the content you share. One popular option is to give your followers a behind-the-scenes look into your daily life. Share snippets of your morning routine, work or school activities, meals, or even hobbies. This gives people an authentic glimpse into who you are and what makes you tick. Another idea is to use Snapchat as a platform for sharing tips and advice related to a specific topic or niche that you're passionate about. Whether it's fashion, fitness, cooking, travel, or any other subject matter that resonates with you, providing valuable insights can attract like-minded individuals who appreciate your expertise. Additionally, consider incorporating storytelling into your Snapchat posts. Create narratives around events or experiences in order to captivate your audience. Use creative angles, filters, stickers and emojis to bring stories to life and make them more visually appealing. Remember that variety is key when it comes to keeping things interesting for your followers. Mix up the types of content you share by including photos/videos of yourself alongside snaps of beautiful scenery or funny memes that reflect current trends. Lastly but importantly, engage with others. Encourage interaction from users by asking questions in captions or hosting Q&A sessions where they can submit inquiries for you to answer via video snaps. Keep experimenting with different ideas until find what resonates best with both yourself and your audience. How often to post on your public Snapchat profile? When it comes to posting on your public Snapchat profile, finding the right balance is key. You want to keep your audience engaged without overwhelming them with too much content. So, how often should you be posting? It's important to consider the type of content you're sharing. Are you showcasing behind-the-scenes glimpses of your life or promoting a business? This will help determine the frequency of your posts. For personal profiles, aim for consistency rather than bombarding your followers with daily updates. Posting 2 to 3 times a week can keep things fresh and prevent boredom from setting in. On the other hand, if you're using Snapchat as a promotional tool for your business, more frequent posts may be necessary. But be mindful not to go overboard. Quality always trumps quantity. Experimentation is crucial here. Try different posting schedules and see what resonates best with your audience. Pay attention to their engagement levels and adjust accordingly. Remember that Snapchat's ephemeral nature means that posts disappear after 24 hours. Therefore, consistent posting helps maintain visibility within users' feeds while also allowing for some breathing room between each update. Finding the sweet spot for post frequency on your public Snapchat profile requires understanding both yourself and your audience. By striking this balance, you can keep followers interested without overwhelming them and ensure maximum impact from each post.